Hey guys, welcome back to OCP Technology. My name is Shripal and in this video we are going to discuss about Oracle database architecture and its component. I request to you please watch it carefully. So without wasting your time, let's move on the computer screen and start the discussion. But before starting today's video, if you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my all the video notification in your mailbox. Okay guys, let's start the database structure discussion. What is database structure and how it is work and why we are going to learn this structure actually. The database structure is divided into three parts. The first part is the memory structure, second part is a process structure, and third part is a storage structure. Let me tell you about the all 3 points. What is the memory structure and process structure and storage structure? See, this is the Oracle instance. When we are creating a new Oracle instance, there is a system global area, and system global area has so many components. Is a memory structure. Second part is a process structure, which is covered by the background processes. Next part is our third part, which is the storage structure, where our physical files is available on disk, like data file and all. There are so many files. We will discuss about all that in the briefly next slide. Okay, let me discuss with you entire structure and all the component of that system global area. Okay, in the system global area, there are so many components. We are going to discuss here some basic components actually. Every DBA should aware about these components actually. First component is a database buffer cache. The database buffer cache also known as a dirty buffer. Why? Let me show you. The database buffer cache contain new blocks as well as old blocks. That's why we know this buffer cache as dirty buffer. Next component is a shared pool. What is a shared pool actually? Shared pool divided into two logical units. First is a library cache and second is a data dictionary cache. Let's see the next. Java pool, large pool, stream pool, and readlog buffer cache. That is called memory structure. Okay. Next is a background process. We have so many background process in the Oracle database actually. SMON, full form is a system monitor. PMON, process monitor. Database writer, DBWR. N instance for number of writers. Okay. In the Oracle database, there are many database writers running. Next background process is checkpoint, log writer, and the last one is a archive process, which is the optional background process. Okay. Let me show you some other process, which is the user process and server process, and there are some like user global area and program global area also is exist there. Okay. Now in the end, let me show you the storage structure, where our physical files is available on the disk, like data files, control files, readlog files, undo files, password file, p file, sp file, alert log files, archive log files. Okay. So these all are available on the disk. That's why we called it physical structure. This is the memory structure, and this is the background process, and this is the physical structure, which we called the storage structure. So our database structure is divided into these three units. This is the overview video. In the next video, we will discuss each and every component. Ultimately, how our Oracle SQL statement is flow in this structure. Wait for the next video. I will upload the next video as soon as possible. If you really want the next video as soon as possible, please write in the comment box, yes, I want. Okay. I know there are so many people who watching my videos but not subscribe my YouTube channel. I request to you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you really learned something from this video. If yes, please share your feeling in comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.